Welcome everybody, it's David Bell here from the Wharton School. I'm the Jinmei Zhang and Yongei Dai professor. I haven't seen you for a while. By now you would have been spending time with my colleagues Barbara and Pete. Barbara will have taken you through branding. Pete will have talked a lot about customers. And what I'm going to talk about is execution, where the rubber really meets the road. So we're going to talk specifically about how to acquire some of those customers that Pete was talking about. We're going to talk about the interaction between the online world, which is increasingly prevalent, e-commerce, and the offline world. And then finally some tactical things about advertising, search engine optimization, pricing, and all of those good things that we need to do to really interact and acquire our customers. I also want to explain where we are. We're somewhere quite interesting and different today. We're at the site of Quidsi in western Pennsylvania. Quidsi means what if in Latin. And the idea really comes from a former student of ours, Mark Law, and his friend, childhood friend Vineet Bara, who founded a company way back in 2005 called 1-800-Diapers.com. So for those of you out there who may have some what you think is crazy idea, be encouraged, don't be discouraged, because the crazy idea of Mark and Vineet was to sell baby products and diapers over the internet. It's now 2013, of course. I'm standing in a warehouse that's 1,200,000 square feet large, carries over 200,000 unique products, and is selling those products throughout the entire continental US to literally hundreds of thousands of households. This was an idea that started only about 7 or 8 years ago, so it's really incredible to think of the traction that it's taken, and all of that traction is really to do with execution. So you can have a great idea, you can have a great brand, you can think you know who the target customer is, but to really get things off the ground, you have to execute, and that's what we're going to be focusing on here.